Oh my.
Hot dogs for the din din. High five, slime.
Yes, sir.
Whoa!
Chris Evans is here.
I'm sorry, I don't know who you are.
Oh, well, he's Captain America? Captain America?
Oh shit, oh fuck.
Oh, no, too late!
My mom has the coolest fridge. Look at that shit.
I forgot he's Australian. Oh, slow down, you dickhead.
Get off the bed. Oh, I forgot. He's Mexican. ¡Bájate a la verga!
I'm gonna eat some Coke and drink some Mentos and see what happens. Oh, I really don't feel good, guys. Look how bloated I am right now. I can't breathe. I think I feel it coming. I think I...
You scared? Get off the counter. What are you doing? This cat is immune. What is this?
Okay, boss, I'm here. Okay, the one with the red shirt, do not touch him. He's my son.
Well, turns out every once in a while someone amazing comes into your life, so here the fuck I am.
Why does Grandma have arthritis in her hands? You dirty man!
If you're 10 or 12, please hit me up. It seems there has been a huge misunderstanding.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.